Good day everyone, I am Neli Lian Pajarillaga and I am a third-year college student of Bataan Peninsula State University. My course year and session is Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management 3A. In this video, I'm going to discuss the 10 topics that I chose from the list that is given to us by our professor in Fundamentals of Business Analytics, which is Sir Dan. So let's get started. Information system is a collection of interconnected components that gather, store, and analyze data as well as provide information, knowledge, and digital products. It is used by businesses and other organizations to carry out and manage operations, engage with consumers and suppliers, and compete in the marketplace. Since there is a vast amount of data and information out there like our emails, documents, contacts, videos, messages, social media accounts, and more, we depend on information system to help us store, control, create, find, access these informations or data. An information system is a set of computer-based tools used for collecting, storing, and processing data in our world. Businesses and other organizations rely on information system to carry out and manage their operations, interact with their customers and suppliers, and compete in the marketplace. Many businesses deal with massive amount of a collection of basic values or facts or what is called as data. An IS is a software that aids in the organization and analysis of data. The goal of information system is to transform raw data into meaningful information that can be utilized to make decisions in a company. E-commerce allows companies and individuals to buy and sell goods and services over the internet. E-commerce operates in 4 major market segments and can be conducted over computers, tablets, smartphones, and other smart devices. E-commerce or electronic commerce conducts businesses transactions that include selling information, services, and goods by means of computer telecommunications network. It is simply the act of purchasing and selling products and services over the internet using computers, tablets, cell phones, and other smart devices. In today's world, almost everything can be acquired via e-commerce. Marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, Shopee, Lazada, Alibaba, and more. It includes a wide range of businesses from consumer-based retail sites to auction or music sites to business exchange that trade goods and services between corporations. There are 3 different e-commerce business models. First one, B2B, business to business, is a sort of e-commerce in which products, services, or information are exchanged between businesses rather than between businesses and consumers. A B2B transaction occurs when 2 businesses such as wholesalers and online retailers conduct business together. A B2B transaction is one that occurs between 2 companies such as between a manufacturer and a wholesaler or between a wholesaler and a retailer. With the rapid growth of e-commerce, many businesses are adopting to provide both B2B and B2C services. Google is a good example of a company that serves both enterprises and individual customers. B2C, the process of selling items and services directly between a businesses and consumers who are the end users of its products and services, is known as business to consumer. The process of businesses selling products and services directly to consumers without the need of a middleman. It refers to online retailers who sell items and services to consumers through the internet. B2C business model is one in which a corporation offers a service or product to a customer directly rather than through an intermediary. It is where businesses trade and transact directly with end customers who buy the product or for consumption. Shopee and Lazada, on the other hand, is an example of an e-commerce business-to-consumer model. It offers all kinds of products from different places at any time to anybody with access to the internet. C2C, consumer to consumer, E-commerce refers to online transactions between two private end users to sell or purchase things online. Markets like eBay, Etsy, and Taobao, as well as auction websites and forums like Craigslist, are used for C2C activity. C2C e-commerce is a sort of business relationship in which both the seller and the buyer are individuals, not businesses. It entails communication between parties via a third party, usually an online auction or trading website. Internet marketplace like Facebook or OLX is a good example of C2C, where you can sell and buy online a pre-loved or second-hand items. Business intelligence, the procedural and technical infrastructure that collects, stores, and analyzes the data generated by a company's activities, is referred to as business intelligence. Data mining, process analysis, performance benchmarking, and descriptive analytics are all part of business intelligence. In today's modern world, business companies generate a lot of data. Business intelligence uses both past and current data to inform current decisions for current success. It uses data in a way to make smarter decisions. Business intelligence is the process of going from raw data to legible information. The goal of business intelligence is to aid corporate executives, managers, and other operational employees in making better and more informed business choices. BI is also used by companies to reduce expenses, uncover new business prospects, and detect wasteful business processes. Now let's have the pros and cons of using a business intelligence. People can go hands-on with the data. A business intelligence system can be a great tool to a company's sales team since it gives them access to a real-time information that shows sales patterns, product enhancement or additions, current client preferences, and untapped markets. You visualize data more quickly. Data visualization is a key part of a data analysis. It is the visual depiction of facts or information in the form of a graph, chart, or other graphics. It uses visuals to communicate data relationships. This is critical in a corporation or business since it makes it easier to spot trends and patterns. You get to manage big data in real time. You need to make a split-second decision. This means you need to have the most up-to-date information that is available. Today's business intelligence applications can feed organizations information in real time so that tactics or strategies can be changed immediately by those who are engaging with the data. So now let's get to the disadvantages of having business intelligence in your business or company. High prices. The cost of BI software or business intelligence software varies, while the possibility for a high return on investment can justify it. The upfront cost can be prohibited for smaller businesses. You must also evaluate the price of the hardware and IT personnel required to effectively implement that software. Data breaches. Any data analysis system faces the threat of leaks, which is one of the most important concerns. If you utilize business intelligence software to manage sensitive data, a mistake in the process could disclose it, putting your company, customers, or employees at risk. Filing of historical data. The main goal of business system is to collect and present historical data about a company's transactions in a way that allows experts to make informed decisions. On the other hand, aside from its limited value, this data typically represent a small portion of what businesses requires to function. In other cases, the customers may be uninterested in historical data because many of the markets regulated by the company are constantly changing. What is descriptive analytics? It is a sort of data analysis that helps to define, present, or summarizes data points in a constructive way so that patterns can develop that satisfy all of the data's condition. It is one of the most crucial steps in the statistical data analysis process. It provides you with a summary of your data's distribution, assists you in detecting errors and outliers, and allows you to spot patterns between varieties preparing you for future statistical analysis. Descriptive analytics is initial step in most companies' data analysis. It gives you information on what is happening. Diagnostic analytics, data discovery, drill down, data mining, and correlations are common strategies used in this process. Analysts pick data sources that will aid them in interpreting the outcomes during the discovery process. It is the next level of analytics which will give you the information on why is it happening. This approach you'll use to interrogate your data. Why did this happen? It's a deep dive into your data in quest of useful information. Diagnostic analytics takes it a step further by elucidating the reasons for certain outcomes. Predictive analytics, the application of statistics and modeling tools to create predictions about future events and performance is referred to as predictive analytics. Predictive analytics examines current and past data patterns to see if they are likely to repeat themselves. This gives you information on what is likely to happen. It predicts future performance, employs statistics and modeling techniques. It is used to predict client reactions or purchases as well as to enhance cross-sell opportunities. Predictive models assist companies in attracting, retaining, and expanding their most profitable consumers. Companies use predictive model to forecast inventory and manage resources. Prescriptive analytics is a method of analyzing data and making immediate recommendations on how to improve companies' procedures to meet a variety of expected results. Predictive analytics in essence takes what we know data, analyzes it thoroughly to forecast what might happen, and then recommends the best next move based on informed situations. It gives you what is the best course of action to solve the problem. In prescriptive analytics, it uses comparable modeling structures to forecast outcomes, then simulates alternative methods to achieve various outcomes using a combination of machine learning, business rules, artificial intelligence, and algorithms. It recommends the best course of action for improving corporate practices. That's all for my report. I hope you have learned something. Thank you so much for listening and have a nice day.